In this video, we're going to be looking at how to do long division using DMS method. That is divide, multiply, subtract. And then we repeat the process again until we finish doing the division. We're asked to work out 840 divided by 24. I'm going to write the 840 inside the bus stop sign and then the 24 outside. It's always useful to write out a few multiples of the number you're dividing by. So I'm going to do 8 divided by 24. Well, that's 0. So then I'm going to look at 84. 84 divided by 24. Looking at my multiples of 24, I can see that it goes into 84 3 times. So I'm going to write 3 up here. I've just done the D in the DMS. Then I'm going to do multiply. I'm going to multiply 3 times 24, which is 72. Then I write it just below the 84. Then I subtract, which is the third process in the DMS method. 4 take away 2 is 2, and 8 take away 7 is 1. Then I bring down my 0. So now I have 120. Then I have to start my DMS method again because I've just ended it. So now I'm going to do the divide again. 120 divided by 24. Looking at my multiples of 24, it goes into 120 5 times. So I write the 5 on the top. Then I do my multiply now. 5 times 24 is 120. Then I do my subtract. 120 take away 120 is 0. So I stop. Once you get to the point where you have a 0, you stop. And that's the end of my long division. It is also important to note that 24 times 35 equals 840. 840 divided by 35 equals 24. And 840 divided by 24 equals 35. So essentially, multiplication is the opposite of division. So the way the numbers relate to themselves is the way I've just written them out.